Hello everyone, today we'll be learning how to make the snowflake. So first start off by taking a rectangular strip of paper, fold over the top and the bottom end and stick it together with glue. Now cut it out in this particular shape and then make multiple of these, add glue in the middle, stick one piece on top of the other. After you have stuck all of them together, spread it out from the top and then you should be left with the snowflake. Stick it together as such. Start off by taking a square sheet of paper, fold it over diagonally, add multiple lines on it. Making the lines that you have created, cut them almost till the edge. Then open up your sheet of paper and then alternatively bend the sides and join it together in the center. Reverse the sheet of paper and do the same on the other side. Now make multiple of these. Once you have made multiple of these, join them together as such. Then join them in two pieces and two pairs and then stick them together to make a circle. Next, in order to make this Christmas tree, start off by taking a square small sheet of paper, fold it over diagonally on either end, fold over the sides to make it meet in the center. Do this on all four of the sides. Now, fold over the sides ever so slightly and using the markings that you have created, make this diamond-like shape. Open it up and then make multiple of these, insert them one into the other as such. Join them on the other side as well. Fold it inwards and then make another layer on top that is smaller and stick it together. Next, start off by taking a square sheet of paper, fold it over diagonally. Then, fold over one edge of it as such and then make a horizontal fold on the other side after reversing the sheet of paper. Once again, make a narrower fold. Then reverse the sheet of paper, fold on either side of it and do the same on the other side. Fold in both of the edges from the bottom and then fold it over once more. Now reverse the sheet of paper and you should have bells. Stick two of these together and then take a green sheet of paper, make a small diamond-like shape out of it and then cut off the top. Once you cut it off, it should look like this. Now, cut out the sides and make it curved in order to make it look like a leaf. You should be left with this. Make two of these. Now take a cylindrical shape and make a cylindrical shape out of the paper. Use it as the hanging. Add the leaves together and then add cherries in the center. Make this out of red paper. Next, take a black circular sheet of paper and then add tape to the bottom of it. Then take two balls of clay that is white and then in different sizes stick them one on top of the other. Using a marker, add the eyes and a cute little smiley face. Then add a Santa's cap to it and then at the bottom stick some fruit foam net all around. This will make it look like snow. In the sides, stick some branches and then add clay all around it. Stick a triangular purple sheet of paper on a blue sheet of paper. Stick a lighter shade on top of it as well. And then at the bottom of the paper, add a curvy white piece of paper. Then take a white ball of clay and then take another smaller piece, stick them one on top of the other. Using red clay, make a scarf and a little hat out of it. Then add a smiley face to it. Add little snowballs all around out of white clay. Cut out the shape of oven mitts as such and then stick them on a black circular or rectangular sheet of paper as such. Stick them one beside the other and then add some flowers made out of clay to it. Then stick some yellow clay to the second one at the bottom and then add multiple dots in it. Make a heart shape all around it as well. Add little cherries to it. Add multiple white balls of clay to the bottom of the red one and then draw on a snowflake. Next, take some roughly cut up paper in different colors and stick them onto a black circular sheet of paper. Stick some white paper at the bottom that is roughly cut as well and then stick it on top as the roof as well. Now using a marker, draw on windows and doors. Then use some brown crayons in order to make the pathway to each of these houses. Then at the back using a white crayon, draw some trees and then add snowflakes all around. Thank you for watching.